Ever felt like your digital life is just a giant, chaotic desk? Papers everywhere, notes scattered, you're pretty sure you saw your keys somewhere under that pile of something? Now, imagine trying to manage multiple teams, projects, or even just different aspects of your personal life in that mess. Sounds familiar? That's where Trello comes in, right? But here's the question that might be keeping you up at night, the one that's got you staring at your screen wondering if you're doing it wrong. How many workspaces can I actually have in Trello? Because let's be real, you're not just organizing one thing, are you? You've got your work projects, your side hustle, maybe a home renovation plan, and let's not forget that ever-growing list of life admin you keep promising yourself you'll tackle. We're all juggling multiple roles, and we need tools that can keep up. Trello, with its intuitive boards and lists, seems like the perfect solution. But if you can only have, say, one workspace, are you really getting the full potential? Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of workspace limits, let's take a step back and understand why workspaces are so crucial in the first place. Think of a workspace as a virtual office. It's the central hub for all your boards related to a specific area of your life or work. Within a workspace, you can easily share boards with relevant team members, manage permissions, and keep everything neatly organized. Imagine you're running a marketing agency. You might have separate workspaces for client projects, internal marketing, and content creation. This way, you can keep each area distinct, ensuring that only the relevant people have access to the right information. No more accidentally sharing client data with your social media team, or vice versa. Or, let's say you're a freelancer. You might have a workspace for each client, allowing you to keep their projects separate and organized. You could even have a personal workspace for your own projects, like writing a book or planning a trip. The beauty of workspaces is that they provide a clear and logical structure to your Trello experience. They prevent the chaos that can arise when you try to cram everything into a single board or a single, overloaded workspace. They're about clarity, efficiency, and sanity. Now, you might be thinking, okay, I get it. Workspaces are great, but how many can I have? And are there any limitations? This is where things get interesting and where a lot of people get confused. The answer isn't as straightforward as you might think. Trello doesn't impose a hard limit on the number of workspaces you can create. Instead, the number of workspaces you can effectively manage depends on a few factors, primarily your Trello plan and how you use them. Let's break it down. Trello Free Plan. If you're using the free version of Trello, you have access to unlimited boards. But the number of team members you can add to a workspace is limited. This means you can technically create as many workspaces as you want, but you'll need to carefully consider how you're using them. If you're primarily using Trello for personal organization or with a very small team, the free plan might be sufficient. However, if you're working with larger teams or need more advanced features, you'll likely need to upgrade. Trello Standard Plan. The Standard Plan removes the team member limit in workspaces, making collaboration much easier. This plan is ideal for small to medium-sized teams that need to collaborate on multiple projects. With the Standard Plan, you can create and manage multiple workspaces without worrying about hitting a team member limit. This is a significant step up from the free plan and allows for more flexibility and scalability. Trello Premium Plan. The Premium Plan offers even more advanced features, including advanced checklists, custom fields, and timeline views. This plan is designed for teams that need to manage complex projects and workflows. With the Premium Plan, you can create and manage multiple workspaces with ease, and you'll have access to a wider range of tools and features to help you stay organized and productive. Trello Enterprise Plan. The Enterprise Plan is designed for large organizations that need to manage multiple teams and projects across the entire company. This plan offers advanced security and compliance features, as well as centralized administration and support. With the Enterprise Plan, you can create and manage an unlimited number of workspaces, allowing you to scale your Trello usage as your organization grows. So, as you can see, the number of workspaces you can effectively manage depends on your Trello plan and your specific needs. If you're a solo user or a small team, the free or standard plan might be sufficient. However, if you're a larger organization or need more advanced features, the premium or enterprise plan will provide you with the flexibility and scalability you need. But even with the higher tiered plans, there's a practical limit. It's not about the software saying no more, it's about your own ability to stay organized. If you create too many workspaces, you might find yourself struggling to keep track of everything. It's important to find a balance between creating enough workspaces to keep your projects organized and avoiding creating so many that you become overwhelmed. Here are a few tips to help you manage multiple workspaces effectively. 1. Consolidate when possible. Before creating a new workspace, ask yourself if you can consolidate existing boards or projects into a single workspace. This will help you keep your Trello experience streamlined and prevent unnecessary clutter. 2. Use clear naming conventions. Use clear and consistent naming conventions for your workspaces and boards. This will make it easier to find what you're looking for and prevent confusion. 3. Regularly review your workspaces. Take some time to regularly review your workspaces and boards. Delete any workspaces or boards that are no longer needed. This will help you keep your Trello experience clean and organized. 4. Utilize workspace views. Trello's workspace views are a powerful tool to bring together information from multiple boards within a single workspace. Use these views to create dashboards, timelines, and other visualizations that provide a comprehensive overview of your projects. 5. Leverage Trello's search function. Trello's search function is your best friend when managing multiple workspaces. Use it to quickly find specific boards, cards, or checklists. Remember, Trello is a tool, and like any tool, it's only as effective as you make it. By understanding how workspaces work and following these tips, you can create a Trello experience that helps you achieve your goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.